how to restore iPhone from iCloud backup. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup. If you have backed up your important data to iCloud, you're in luck. First things first, make sure that you open up your settings and go to your Apple account. And then what you have to do is scroll down until you find iCloud. Just tap on it and then you will be welcome to a screen like this. Now, here you'll see iCloud backup option. You just have to tap on it and then toggle on this option and you will be able to restore iPhone from iCloud backup. You'll see backup now option. You just have to tap on it and then your iPhone will be restored from iCloud backup. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching everyone. See you in the next video.